Lincoln Fox. Hi guys, Miss Fox here, and my sidekick, Lincoln Fox. Say hi everybody.
Hi, everybody.
You're about to watch our awesome trip to the water park the other day. Do you remember when we went to the water park?
Yeah.
It was so much fun. What did we do?
We
splashed.
fly.
There was
and
we
play.
splashed and played. There was there was sprinklers that sprouted up.
Yeah.
There was a cool slide.
Yeah.
All kinds of cool stuff. You guys are going to see it. It's really awesome. So enjoy. We'll see you guys later.
Bye.
Where are we going? We're going to the water park.
We're going to the water.
Yep. We are at Tom Muhlenbach Swimming Pool. This is going to be an awesome place to go. Come on, the park looks cool. Look how big it is. Look how many colors there are. There's blue, big blue circle, green, got yellow railing, got green, blue, and yellow slides. That's so neat. All right, let's put our stuff down and get ready to play. Ready to go play? Jump in, Lincoln. Jump. Woo. Lincoln, what's that wheel do? It turns it on and off. That's so neat. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Woo! You want to go play with the sprayers? Here, let's see what these ropes do. Can you grab one? Whoa! Water came out of there. Woo! Let's see what this one does. What happens if we pull this one? Ooh, more water. All right, there's one rope left. Let's see what this last rope does. Woo! That cool water stairs, huh? Whoa! Here we are. It's a big pool. They've got basketball and volleyball and a cool fountain in the middle. Ready to go in? Careful. Hey, buddy, don't do that. You're going to fall. What color is that? What color is this stair? Stand on the blue stair. All right. Stand on the green stair. Step on the green square. smart. You got me. Blue, sir. Woohoo! Green. Me do it? Okay, there we go. All right, say bye-bye, water park. All right, here we are at the exit. Thanks, everybody. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.